For thousands of years, humans built civilizations with their hands. Then came computers. Then came the internet. And now, artificial intelligence. A technology so powerful, it is changing the meaning of work itself. Across the world, millions wake up every morning to work. But today, something has changed. Machines are no longer helping humans. They are replacing them. For decades, call centers employed millions, especially in countries like India. But AI voice assistants now answer customers faster, cheaper, and without sleep. Banks once needed thousands of employees. Today, algorithms approve loans, detect fraud, and manage investments in seconds. The world believed creativity belonged only to humans. But AI learned to paint, design, write, edit videos, even create music. Software engineers built the digital world. Now, AI is learning to build software itself. From truck drivers to taxi operators, transportation may become one of the biggest industries in the world, transformed by AI. AI can now detect diseases faster than humans. In some hospitals, machines already assist doctors in life-saving decisions. Education is changing forever. AI tutors can teach millions of students, in every language, at any time. Even journalism is evolving. Articles, headlines, and videos can now be generated in seconds by AI systems. If machines can work faster, cheaper, and forever, what happens to humanity? History is changing. The AI revolution has already begun. The question is not whether the world will change. The question is, will humanity adapt in time? How did you like this episode? Please comment below. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow the Flying Art Films. Coming next episode: the rise of AI superpowers. The global battle to control artificial intelligence.